The next step is our wave frame welding process. Wave frame welding process. Most of our welding is dot welding technology. It works by welding two lines together by current without additional welding speed. So this is the production line sample. You see that our welding flag is very small, our welding structure is very strong, and so the quality is very good. For the wave frame, we also have advanced machine to do this part. This machine can weld the parts at one time.